Hello everyone, welcome to Bonsai Den Haag, here with Felix. Today International Bonsai Day and we're gonna be here at the Ginkel Center looking for some trees on the sale. So let's go. The first to arrive, and of course our Yamadori Matti.
Goedemorgen.
I'm here with Danny Ginkel. Danny who's one of the best legends here in Europe, and he's having a sale. I have already a Sabina here. Danny, how is it today for you?
Busy, very busy. A lot of people.
A lot of things.
yeah, and a lot of things. So probably there will be next sales. You see, a whole trolley full of pines. It's gonna make a forest.
Nice. So it was a nice day, just arrived here in The Hague, and I will show you a little bit of the trees that I got. So I got this Sabina over here, very nice. This one in a pot already, and this white pines over here that I will make a nice project of it.